Okay, Johnny Blindman Cyber Cave Show. And we've got everything all connected again. My keyboard's connected. Okay, the updates are. I'm gonna just check and see if the updates are complete. So, now, just Windows key I.
Settings.
Settings. Push the tab key.
Find link. Windows isn't activated.
Windows isn't activated.
Windows now.
I'm gonna have to activate that soon.
System. Phone.
And just pushing the arrow keys down.
Cortana. Update and switch.
Okay, go to update. Okay. Wonder why it's taking so long. Uh-oh.
Taskbar pane. Notification. Show desktop. Button.
Okay.
Notificate. Running applications. Settings.
Okay, we'll go back to settings. I think there's still a problem with the update here. Okay, I'm going to go to scan by typing the
notification chevron. Running application. Scan off. Settings. One running window. Google. Settings.
Okay, we're going to click on settings. See, it's not giving me anything. Okay, I'm going to get out of here by typing the Windows. I'm going to have to type in run.
Run dialog. Open.
And
OK. Cancel.
Okay, go to cancel.
Desktop list. Recycle bin.
And we're going to type in that again.
I.
The Windows key in the I. Having problems here. It's still